A lot of us are used to Microsoft Word or Google Doc to arrange our work. But you can also use Canva using grid and frame. So let's arrange one now. So let me just go to a new page. I want to arrange a new page for my ebook. So the first thing I'll do, I'll go to setting, click on setting. Make sure your show margin and show blend you clicked on the two. Show margin. Let me go back. Show margin, show print bleed. The two should be marked. Then show some page names to show, so that anytime when you design, you are going to see it under like this. So fine, I want to arrange a page. So I'll go to search and search for grid. Search. So type grid. So grid, this is it. So the first one, let's see the first layout. This is the first layout. So I'll just bring this up. Okay. I'll come back to element and I'll pick the two pictures. And I'll press this one down. Okay. So if I want to arrange now, I'll go to spacing. Let me set spacing. I will make sure the spacing is 20. Okay. So this is it now. So I'll come to my text, my body text. It's going to be body text. So let me paste this. Paste. I have. So you see it now. So I'll copy this side. Everything will be here. It will be here. It will be here. Then I'll go to B, left alignment. Okay. So don't let it cross like this. So it's just this side. This is how we are doing it. So let me copy another one. Assuming I want this place to be full like this. So you see it now. Okay. So this is it. I'll click on this. And the reason why I'm doing this is so that my work can be neat. Then this two. You click on the two. Number one. Select. Then select number two. Then enlarge it and do like this. You see it now? Then copy again and bring it here. Make sure this one is touching the other edge of this one, but they're on both same line. Then go to your element and put in your picture. Put in your picture. Assuming I'm using this picture. You see it now? So all I'll just do is I'll click on this side and delete this one. You see? Very well arranged. So let me back because I will need this. I also want to, so I will need this. So okay. So let me arrange another format again. I'll still go to grid. Grid. I'll still pick this format. Or if I might not even use this format. I will use this one. This one. With this one I can write. You see? So this is another one. Okay. Then if I don't want this one, I can use this first one. Divide it into two. Or like this. Go back to my grid and go and bring maybe 2 or 3 frames. See? I'll just make sure this one's like this. I'll bring it down. See it now. If I want the right top to be in 3 columns. So this is it. So let me go to test. Paste. Okay. Okay, so bring your text and reduce it. Make sure it is 12 or 13 so that people can read it. I'm coming. Click on it. Go to bold. Left alignment. Then this. Arrange it very well and bring it here. I'll click on this first one. Press this one down a little. Click the second one. Click the third one. Close this. Go to position. Align. Center. Everything is okay. Tidy up. Everything is okay. Then after that, I can delete this. You see it now? It's going to be well arranged. You see it? Then I'll come to picture and put my picture. Let me see any picture that I can use. Let me see use this picture. You see it? So that's another arrangement, and your book will come out well. Then there's another arrangement again. There's another one. Go to grid. Still grid. Still grid. So come here. Click this one. Okay. So you put the picture here. You put your text here. The text will be by the side here. So that's how we do it. Then another one. Let me see again. Let me go to grid. So let's see plenty. You see plenty. So the way you want your books to be, you see it now. So you can even use this one. You can use this one. This is another one. You put the picture at the top. You put the picture at the top. You put the picture at the top, you write up. But make sure you mark those things, those places. You put your picture here, you write up here. Then let's look for another one again. Go to grid again. Okay. Then you write up. Your write up can be here. Your two pictures can be here. Write up can be here. You can put your pictures here. So there's in fact, creation of ebook is now very, very easy. So see this one. Put your picture here. Put one picture here. Another one. Let's look for another one. This is another one. Okay, so yeah, I will just paste this one. This one will be white. Will be white, you see. But before it is white, before I change it to white, so yeah, I'll write my text. Paste. Make sure it is black so that people can see it. Okay, I'll click out. Make sure the font is 12 size. Here you see 12, at least 12. Go to format, left alignment. So this is it. The topic will be there. The heading will be there. So you can just bring this one. Press it down, press it down, press it down. Group. Bring it down. Add your heading. Go to text and add your heading. Heading. Smart women in business. This is your topic. Left alignment. I'll just change the background to white. Oh, can you see now? You see? Let me download this page. I love this one. Just page. Current page, 26. PDF. So that's it. So now creating of ebook is very, very simple with Canva. I love this.